This is our fine motor kit. As your child enters their second year, they will be curious to explore everything with their hands. How do I open a jar? What's inside this drawer? What happens when I throw this block? Much of their exploration will require fine motor skills, along with problem-solving skills, language skills, and a lot more. Find everything you need for this stage in our fine motor kit. This is our Hedgehog Tumble Train. Designed to stimulate problem-solving and fine motor practice, your child will enjoy driving the train around and figuring out how to get the coins out. Here's a hint. Open the door on this train and try pushing this button. Our inbox is designed to help your child work on their posting skills. Posting just means putting objects into a container through a small opening. Our inbox has 2 interchangeable lids, coins and sticks. This simple skill trains hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and dexterity. This is a larger version of our popular Busier book with more advanced fine motor and cognitive activities inside. Use it at home or when your child is out and about for some quiet play. The silicone poppers make for a great fidget tool for children at this age. At this age, your child can attempt solving puzzles. Our paint palette puzzle uses only circular pieces as they are the easiest shape to manipulate. However, the different colors and sizes will be a great cognitive challenge at this age. You can also use the pieces as stamps. This is not a fashionable handbag. Instead, it's a toy to satisfy your child's natural urge to hide and find things. They will enjoy hiding the babies in their shells and inside Mama Goose. It's also a great tool for pretend play when your child gets older. Find more information about your baby's development and simple activity suggestions in our play journal. Then use it to safekeep all the precious memories of this stage.